Hey, this is Dave with the Shepherd School, and got a video here. I've thought long and hard about it. I wasn't really going to share it. I really didn't want to share it. But in the end, I've been doing this for a couple years, and I think it's about time to share this. Somebody else could probably get some use out of it. And as far as the operational security side of it, I've found another way of doing something similar. So while I'm losing this technique, I've learned another one to take its place. But I can't carry guns where I work at or where I go around at most of the time, and so I want a little bit of security, a little backup. Okay, so I bought one of these last ditch knives from Covert, right? Little bitty shiny, you know. Basically, it's slashing and punching. It's a nice little design. It's not a very good utility knife, but it wasn't designed to be a utility knife. It's designed to be a BOGO, back off, get away kind of last ditch knife. But it's got little holes here to attach it to some gear, and I took a little piece of shoestring to give me something to grab onto, because I have one of these rigger's belts. Okay, and what I've done, and I've done this about 4 different times, because it keeps, get new belts, or it wears, because this is kind of a high wear point. But I sew it using some brown thread into the back of my rigger's belt, and you cannot see much of it. A little bit here in the little string if you're paying attention. But, my Buddha belly kind of covers a lot of that up. But with the string, it makes it easier for me to get it out. Okay? Like I said, this is the last ditch kind of, I don't have anything else. I'm somewhere where I can't take my gun, because to get the knife back in, you basically got to take your belt off. You got to undo your belt. But it fits. It's as comfortable as any kind of belt can be. It doesn't feel any different, doesn't change anything, but it does wear a little bit, and so since I'm about to have to re-sew this, I figure I would tell you. But it works really good, and luckily I've never had to use it, but I have practiced drawing it, and it does work. But like I said, it's kind of a pain in the tail to put back. So anyway, use that if you want to. I hope you get something out of it. And until next time, you can always catch us online, www.tngun.com.